First look at Gadget Name. The anticipation is palpable as the sleek, matte black box of the latest Gadget Name sits before us. Promising groundbreaking innovation and premium performance, this gadget has already created a buzz in tech circles. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing experience. The first impression sets the tone, and Gadget Name delivers a premium feel right out of the box. The packaging is minimalist yet elegant, with eco-friendly materials that underscore the brand's commitment to sustainability. Opening the lid reveals the gadget nestled securely, accompanied by neatly arranged accessories, a USB-C charging cable, power adapter, and a quick start guide. Every component feels thoughtfully placed, exuding a sense of precision. This attention to detail isn't just about aesthetics. It reflects the brand's effort to enhance the customer experience from the very first moment. Design and build quality. The Gadget Name immediately grabs attention with its sleek design. Constructed from a blend of high-grade aluminum and reinforced polymers, it's lightweight yet durable. The device features a slim profile, making it easy to handle and carry. One standout feature is its unique design element, e.g. edge-to-edge display, modular construction, or textured finish. It not only looks futuristic, but also adds functional value, such as better grip or improved airflow. Performance highlights. While we haven't had time to fully test its capabilities, the Gadget Name boasts impressive specs on paper. Powered by the latest processor name, it promises lightning-fast speeds, efficient multitasking, and superior energy efficiency. The gadget also introduces unique feature, e.g. AI integration, 5G connectivity, or advanced thermal management, which could redefine how users interact with their devices. Early benchmarks hint at industry-leading performance, making this a potential game-changer in its category. Display and interface. Turning on the device reveals a vibrant screen-size inch display with stunning resolution, e.g. 4K OLED quality. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are exceptional, ensuring usability even in direct sunlight. The interface is intuitive, with operating system name offering seamless navigation. New features like specific UI feature enhance usability, making the Gadget Name appealing to both tech enthusiasts and casual users. Accessories and extras. Included in the box are some exciting accessories. The Gadget Name comes with specific accessory, e.g. wireless earbuds, stylus, or charging dock, adding extra value. Each accessory is designed to integrate seamlessly with the device, enhancing its overall functionality. First impressions verdict? Our initial impressions of the Gadget Name are overwhelmingly positive. From its premium design to its powerful performance, it's clear that this gadget aims to set new benchmarks in the tech world. While we'll need more time to test its full capabilities, the unboxing experience alone is a testament to the thought and innovation that went into its creation. Stay tuned for a detailed review where we'll explore its performance, battery life, and real-world usability. For now, the Gadget Name is shaping up to be a must-have for anyone seeking cutting-edge technology. What are your thoughts on the Gadget Name? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for the full review coming soon.